How to reset low-pressure tire warning light. Simple solutions. Once you have properly inflated your tires, the tire pressure light should automatically go off. However, if it doesn't, there are a few different things that you can try. 1. Drive your vehicle after you inflate the tires. Drive the car at 50 miles per hour for about 10 minutes. This should reset the tire sensors, and the next time you start the car the TPMS light should be off. 2. Press the TPMS reset switch. With the vehicle off, turn the key to the on position, but do not start the car. Hold the TPMS reset button until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times, then release it. Start the car and wait about 20 minutes for the sensor to refresh. You will find the tire pressure monitor reset button under the steering wheel. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual if you can't find it. If your car has a newer dashboard screen, scroll through your car's information options and select Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This allows you to reset the system. 3. Disconnect the battery cables and reconnect them. With the vehicle off, use a wrench to disconnect the positive battery cable. Turn the car on and honk the horn for about 3 seconds. This will discharge any power that's still stored in the vehicle. Then reconnect the battery. 4. Inflate each tire to the recommended PSI. Inflate all tires, including the spare tire, to 3 psi over their recommended amount, then deflate them completely. Once they're all deflated, reinflate to the recommended tire pressure. 5. The TPMS light can also be when a driver notices they need tire repair. Most likely there's a puncture that will lead to a flat. 6. Ask a mechanic to check your TPMS. If you've tried everything to reset the low tire pressure light but nothing works, it might be the actual electronic TPMS sensors. Replace worn-out electronic sensors that could be tripping the sensor. The electronic TPMS do wear out over time, but your mechanic can replace them. Your mechanic will also remount and rebalance your tires as part of this process. Thank you very much for watching our video. We really hope it helps you drive safely. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future content.